In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this circular array effect. Let's create an icosphere with one subdivision. Ctrl 1 to subdivide. Let's apply a metallic material. S and Z to scale on the Z axis. Let's apply two array modifiers. We'll be adding the simple deform modifier next, but let me show you what would happen if we second array on the Z instead of Y. Please experiment with the settings like this, in order to find the best array combination. Let's see what will happen if we switch the array to Y instead of Z. There is our circular array effect. Let's set up the render scene. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. I'll change the ground material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.